Hey everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to demonstrate to you about how to utilize Ledger for the engraving of letter of appreciation, certificate and similar documents. For this exercise I have utilized A4 size of the sheet. So first of all I need to prepare the A4 size of sheet. So let me just shift the certificate which I have already prepared and then we'll start. Let me just prepare a rectangular box of size A4. So for that I need to select the box. The width is 210 while the height is 297. Okay. Here you can see the A4 size box is there. Now I can change the color or layer of the same color, so that I need to select the blue. Now both the colors can be same, and color is just to give the intensity or just to give the different layers for different engravings, cuttings or different operations. So here it is. Now let's just say that I wanted to first write this line letter of appreciation. For that I need to go to font, select somewhere on the screen and specify whatever that you want to write. Let me write letter of letter of appreciation. For this I can utilize this specific font of my choice. However, you can change the font. You can also change the character space, that is the space between two characters, as well as you can also change the line space if multiple lines are there. Here there is only one line, so there is no point of adding line space, and then click OK. Now I can also change the aspect ratio. It look bit odd, so now I think this looks fine to me, or else you can just change based on or whatever form you want to have it. Okay, so my first line is done. Likewise I need to prepare another line. Let's say if you want to introduce any of such company name, organization name or any institution's name, so you can mention so and so university or institute. Now here I want to change the font, and I'll be specifying the Cambria font, which is my own favorite. So here is the font, university. Then in order to maintain the aspect ratio, I would always recommend to copy this box and paste it, and then later on you can change or add it based on your requirements. My second line is done, and here you can see both the lines are having same aspect ratio. Then I'll be writing this 3 lines. And here you can specify the name of event or title of the event. You can also specify the date. Let me just arrange all these things into a proper order. So for that I need to select everything onto this box, and then let me select the center vertical. So it will organize this into the vertically center order. Now here you can see that this line is going beyond set, so we need to change somehow the aspect ratio of this font. So I'll be reducing the height of dates, and for that I wanted to now maintain the aspect ratio, so I'll lock the aspect ratio. I'll specify the height of the date as 7, as date should not be highlighted much. However, you can change this fonts. Let me select both of them, and it should fit within the 180. Right, I would insist to maintain the height of university or any organization name and title of the event as it is, as it was advised to highlight those things while preparing the certificates also. Okay, likewise you can adjust by moving the jog keys like up and down, left and right. Okay, now I'll be utilizing this font. I'll be copying this and pasting it here. Now I'll be specifying the name. Right here you can specify the name. I'll be just specifying the Mr. Authority who is going to sign the certificate. So Mr. Authority, and in case if you want to add the designation of it, then you can also add one more line of designation. Let's say founder, VP, CEO, etc. I'll be reducing this font height as well. So let's just say that I'll be fitting this into 40. Okay, now zoom out, arrange everything into center vertical. Now in order to check how does it look, so here you can select the all and select the view data, so it will fit to window. I think the details are pretty much fine. Now let's just say that whomsoever I wanted to appreciate, I wanted to mention his photograph as well as the name of that person. So I'll be using the same fonts that I have utilized for the letter of appreciation. I'll be copying that and pasting it here. I'll be specifying the name of that person. So here the name is not fixed. So I'll be specifying Mr. XYZ or any specific name that you want to put, that you can put. Again, select the entire box to keep it centrally aligned. Okay, now let me just lower down the font. Okay, now here I need to upload two images, one for the person who is going to be appreciated, while another one is for the signatory. Now in case if the person is signing in person, then you need not to upload this image for the signature, and if he or she is not able to sign in person, then you can engrave their signature as well. So based on your choice you can put. So here I'll be uploading the image at first. Now for that I need to go to this upload image, select the sketch that you have prepared. Now I'll be just going to handle, bitmap handle, then I'll be adjusting the brightness. So I'll start with the 0 brightness and contrast, go to these here, select black and white option and click apply to view. Now you can see that some of the details are still missing, so I'll be reducing the brightness to get more and more details. I think these details are pretty much fine. So as soon as you are comfortable with it, then you can increase the resolution around 1000 pixels per inch and then click OK. Now here simply you just need to drag and drop the image above the name, select all, fit to window. Now I need to reduce the size of an image like this. Now it seems pretty much fine, so I'll be selecting that box again, center vertical, and now I think it works. So I'll be selecting the layers to specify the different intensity of the laser. For the higher ends of phones or the phones which are of larger size, I have specified the purple color, same as for the name. For the smaller phones, I will be utilizing the higher speed. So I have selected it as another layer. If the speed is going to be similar as well as the power, then in that case you can utilize the same layer. So there is no change in that. Now let me add this signature as well in here. So for that you need to go to the import, select the image of the signature, go to handle, bitmap handle, dether, black and white, apply to view. Okay, here also you can increase the resolution and then click OK. Now we know that the width is around 40 millimeter. So let me just select the width of the signature as 40 mm is a width. You just need it to drop it here. Again select this part, set it vertical to make it vertically aligned. Select all to look at the view data. Here you can see that now both the certificates are look alike. That's how we will be able to prepare the certificate. Now at the end, what you need to do, you need to select the specific part that you want to engrave. Select the certificate which you have created, then you need to go to save to U file, then specify the name of the certificate. As you can see that the save as type is .rd. So .rd is an extension which the laser machine would be able to read. So now click on save and you need to upload certificate.rd file onto the laser. I've already added this template of the certificate inside the Google Drive and the link of the drive is uploaded in the description. That's all about how you can prepare the certificate, letter of appreciations and similar kind of documents using RDWorks and Laser Engraver. Thank you so much everyone. Stay tuned to this and keep laser engraving.